So, you're a student, you're either poor or you just want more money. The question is, how to make or have more money? Let us show you. Being a student is not easy, especially when your money is starting to run low and you live in the city. Expenses are high. You probably spend most of your money on rent, food, and friends. We will now explain to you how we would do it all again. Let's go. This is not financial advice. First, make a budget. It is such an important thing to set up, especially when you barely make it through every month. Let's say you make $1,250 every month. Rent is $400, food is $150, activities with friends is $150, and other expenses add up to $100 a month. That leaves you with $450 to spare every single month. There's a lot of things to do with this money. But we would suggest saving yourself about 3 months of expenses, which in this case would be $2,400. After that, all of the money is yours. What you do with it is up to you. But maybe consider investing or spending it to learn valuable skills. Secondly, if you make pretty and easy to read notes, you could actually sell them online. Legally. You may have a subject that you are especially good at, why not make money of it? There are plenty of websites where you could sell these notes, and the money you earn is pretty good. Our third advice is to make templates for studying, resume, and CV. These 3 are so incredibly relevant for students and even regular people of all ages. A good resume and/or CV is the key to landing your dream job. If there are 100 people applying for the job, you for sure want to stand out. Tip: include a photo of yourself so that they have a face they remember when they see your name. This makes you much more attractive for the job. There are plenty of websites that you can sell templates on. If you already have a social media following, then you could use that to your advantage. Advice number 4 is to teach online or in real life. Again, if you are really good at a subject, sport, or activity, use your potential and skills for all that it's worth. Online teaching is the future, and the sooner you start, the bigger of a following you will get, and the more money you will make. There are always many students struggling with different subjects, so take advantage of it. Advice number 5 is to include affiliate links on your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or other social media platforms. Many students have a big following, especially if they're half famous or actually famous. Linking up with a brand to sponsor you or have you as an affiliate can bring you quite a good amount of money a month, of course depending on your follower count. Posting sponsored posts can also get you a hefty amount of money. If you ever see someone have an affiliate link in their bio or on their post, just know that if you use their code, they will receive a commission. Take advantage if you have a big following. Advice number 6 might be a little different. Consider investing in short-term assets that can bring you interest or big profits. For example, proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies or dividend investing. Many cryptocurrencies have a mechanism that allows its owners to earn pretty big amounts of passive income. Pokeated is one of these. If you stake your Pokeated, you will earn about 12 to 14% per year. Staking is basically delegating your crypto to secure the network, giving you interest for doing so. Staking $10,000 worth of DOT can earn you $1,200 to $1,400 a year. Meaning you earn about $100 passively every single month. Compounding it would make you much more, but you probably think short-term right now, so let's not dive into compounding. And our final advice, sell your skills on websites like Fiverr or Skillshare. Fiverr is a website for basically anything you want to learn, services to buy, or new skills. Skillshare is a website mainly for courses in a specific niche. Making money and keeping it is very difficult when you're a student. It's the most important phase of your life, yet you might be struggling a lot. It's a full-time occupation, and therefore students start looking for small jobs, skills, or other things that could make them that extra money for them to be more comfortable financially. There are many jobs that require years of experience, so it's very unfair for young people to try to compete with the older generations. We all have to start somewhere, so why not take advantage of the internet? You know the internet much better than older generations. It's your gateway to more money. But hey, get a head start to your financial life. Here's our video on budgeting, earning, and saving more money.